Greetings, guys. In this video, I'm going to show how you are able to process and convert and swap models for using our AI tool, specifically for using consistency across these models. So let's start across by selecting an input image. You can select an input image using one of the models that you have that you want to swap. Then you have the opportunity to kind of also select which of the models you would want to swap accordingly. So you have a whole range here. We'll be coming up with a lot more options and diversity, and let's say I want to swap this model's face for this one. Now, the idea here is not to completely adapt the female's face, but to be able to kind of figure out the key features and place those key features effectively using natural lighting, effectively thinking about what the proportion should be, and then replacing it. So, this is exactly, if you're able to see, that is happening where the face has been transformed. There's like a slight change in the complexion. We have been able to adopt the other female's face. Now let's change it to another model here. So it happens very quickly because we have context, we're aware of where the model's face is, and you can all try this out yourself as well very, very quickly. So here again, the face has been transformed, and I'm going to quickly show it to what it can become. Now, the beautiful part is this works consistently across different models. So let's say I'm going to run a batch process and I already have some models selected and I'm going to start processing. So while the images are processing, you'll be able to see that how it works quite effectively and very, very quickly. The same way it will work with male models. We'll bring in more other younger models as well, closer to children's age, etc. The idea is to be able to kind of reuse similar models and like kind of transform them and make them look into different models as well, while maintaining how natural the overall aesthetic of the images look. So here we have all the images that have started generating, and what we need to see is like consistency across models. So I've download these images and open them up in my Figma file here. So here, these are the same images as you're able to see that we have gotten from here. Now if you see here how the transformation has happened, I'm going to quickly bring the models close to each other. So you're able to see how we've kind of kept the features, replaced some of them, kept how natural it looks, but different. Something very similar, even like if you take in like a zoom in image like this, where we've kind of been able to maintain all the important aspects, the piece of clothing, everything kind of remains consistent, while the model's face has been transformed, including her lipstick and some of the facial features. Something very similar here. And what I want you to see is how consistent these models also look. And this is the true power of what we are able to offer, that you can have to not like change the models but have them consistently appear across all of your assets. And you could do this for 9 images, 10 images, or 1,000 images as well. So that's how consistently you can do it without changing the complexion or the natural base of the input model as well. Thank you.